In this series of videos, we consider several mathematical problems that have a aesthetic touch. So the problems can be ranging from analysis to calculus to algebra to geometry. So as the fifth problem, we're going to consider how to show that 1 equals 0. So the problem start with so we know that simple algebra. So we can write 1 over negative 1 is exactly equals to negative 1 over 1. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna take the square root of both sides. And then what we can do is we can split this, we can distribute the square root sign to two numbers separately. So we can write this one as square root 1 over square root negative 1 equal negative 1 square root over square root of 1. And then we know that from complex numbers, we know that the I is the negative 1 square root. That's how we define the complex numbers. So we can use that here now. So we can write this one as square root of 1 is 1. So it's a 1 over square root negative 1 means I. This is equals to square root negative 1 means I over square root 1 means 1. Now we can cross multiply. When you cross multiply, you're going to get 1 squared on this side, I squared on the other side. So then 1 squared means 1, then I squared is negative 1. So if you bring this to the same side, if you add 1 to both sides, this is simply going to be 2 equals 0. And then if you divide by 2, you're going to get 1 equals 0 as expected. So now you know that there's something wrong here. So the question is, what is wrong with this argument? So I'm going to ask you to write that in the comments, what went wrong. Thank you.